Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Imagine having a massive, highly capable artificial intelligence completely under your control, right in the palm of your hand. No corporate filters telling you what you can or cannot ask, no unexpected subscription fees, and absolutely no data leaving your device. That is exactly what we're diving into today. Uncensored Local AI. This is a groundbreaking mobile-first, multi-platform application designed to run unrestricted open-source AI models entirely on your local hardware. Whether you're on Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, or Linux, this tool gives you absolute freedom with zero cloud dependency. To see how this all comes together, let's take a look at the official repository on GitHub. The project is fully open source, showcasing a clean, highly optimized codebase built for cross-platform performance. Looking through the repository, you can see how it leverages advanced local frameworks to handle heavy AI workloads without relying on external servers. The documentation is incredibly straightforward, laying out exactly how the app bypasses traditional API keys and subscription models. It is built for developers and privacy enthusiasts alike, proving that you don't need a massive server farm to run sophisticated machine learning. Everything is transparent, community-driven, and built from the ground up for maximum user autonomy. Getting it onto your Android device is incredibly simple. You just download the provided APK file directly from the Releases section. Once downloaded, tap the file to initiate the standard Android package installer. You might need to toggle the permission to allow installations from unknown sources if you haven't done so already, but once that is checked, the app installs within a few seconds. Just like that, you have a powerhouse of an AI engine sitting right on your home screen, ready to launch. Now, let's open up the app and explore exactly what makes this software so incredibly powerful. Since I am currently running a bit low on local storage space on this phone, I won't be downloading a multi-gigabyte model file today, but we can fully tour the extensive feature set and interface. The crown jewel of this application is its commitment to zero censorship. It is specifically designed to run obliterated, uncensored GGUF models. That means you get raw, honest answers to any question you pose, completely free of corporate safety lectures, forced biases, or frustrating refusals. Coupled with that is total privacy. Because the intelligence is running natively on your hardware, your conversations are completely secure and never sent to any remote server. This naturally means the app is fully offline. Once you have a model downloaded, you can use it on a plane, deep in the wilderness, or on highly restricted networks without a single bar of cell service. The architecture is also incredibly versatile. Beyond mobile, it runs on desktop systems, and it even features a local OpenAI API. This means it can host a local HTTP server right from your device, allowing any OpenAI standard client software to connect to your local model. Inside the app, you'll find a dedicated model library where you can easily download, import, and organize your favorite GGUF files. Your conversation history is handled seamlessly and stored locally using a fast, persistent database called Hive. Plus, when you're chatting, the UI provides live metrics, giving you real-time tracking of your tokens per second and model loading progress, so you always know exactly how your hardware is performing. It is truly a complete, private AI ecosystem right in your pocket. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to take back control of your data and experience AI without limits, definitely check out this project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.